What do you think, Raven? You like the cold wind, don't you? What you doing, Moose? Brr. It's cold. What do you say, buddy? You like the cold wind. I'm frozen. What's Raven doing? What's Raven doing? You gonna chase her? They're playing. Thank you. Yeah, they are awesome. What's up, Raven? Say hi. Yeah, you're a good girl. Here comes Moose. He's slowly creeping in. What are you gonna do, Moose? Hey, thanks for the likes. We got more thumbs up, puppies. Yeah. It is windy around here today. Yeah. We had a couple days of 60 degrees. Hey, what are you doing, Raven? Hey, getting too frisky. Dunedin, hey, how are you today? Cold and windy in Vermont. Getting snow flurries. Yeah, after a couple days of 60-degree weather, today feels freezing. You guys love it, though. You're like, give me the cold weather. Yeah, springtime. We got a little bit of everything around here. I'm sure you're the same. What do you think, Raven? In Vermont here, they say if you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes.